Looking to target audiences based on the content they love? Let's set up a Content Select campaign in Universal Ads Manager. After choosing Content Select as your campaign type, give it a clear name and set your budget and flight dates. Then move on to selecting your content adjacency. With Content Select, you can target by genres like sports, comedy, or drama, or connect with the audiences that matter most when viewership is at its peak, including moments like the Olympics. You can also define your audience with precise options, such as location, demographics, interests, and even custom audiences for remarketing. Once your ad set is ready, create your ads. Upload new creatives or select from your library. When everything looks perfect, review your settings and hit Publish. Content Select helps you connect with viewers in the right context, boosting engagement and results. Universal Ads, premium TV that drives results.